We will discuss about problems on isometric projection. Let us see the problem. A rectangular pyramid of base 40 mm by 25 mm and height is 50 mm is placed centrally on a rectangular slab slides 100 mm by 60 mm and thickness is 20 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. So this is the given problem. In this problem, we have two different solids. One is a rectangular pyramid and second one is we have a rectangular slab. So as per this problem, so we need to construct a rectangular slab, and on the rectangular slab we need to place a rectangular pyramid. Let us construct a rectangular slab for the given dimensions. So the dimensions are 100 mm and 60 mm and thickness is 20 mm. Let us construct a rectangular slab. First do the sheet setup, go to sheet 1 and select A4 size sheet and press on OK and fit the sheet. So now I'll go to the line option, line command. Let us construct all the lines using thin lines. Now I'll construct a rectangular slab for the given dimension. One side is 100 mm, another side is 60, and the thickness is 20 mm. So let us construct 100 mm this side. Say length is 100 mm and angle is 30 degree. And on that side, I will construct 60 mm. Length is 60 mm. Angle, let us take angle is 150 degree. Again, this side length is 100 mm. Angle is 30 degree. Then length is 50 and angle is minus 30 degree. So I constructed a rectangle. Okay. So now the thickness is given 20 mm. So from here, you draw a vertical line from each and every corner. Draw a vertical line of length 20 mm. Say length is 20, vertical line means angle is 90 degree. So similarly, from this end, length is 20 and the angle is 90 degree. Similarly, from here, length is 20, angle is 90 degree. Then similarly from this corner, length is 20, angle is 90 degree. Now join all the respective corners. We get the top surface of the slab. This is my rectangular slab. I got the rectangular slab as per the given dimension. So this is 100 and this will be the 60 and this height is 20 mm. Okay. So now the next step is we need to construct a rectangular pyramid. Construct a rectangular pyramid for the given base. The dimensions 40 by 25 mm and height is 50 mm. Let us construct this rectangular pyramid. So now I'll convert this rectangular slab into isometric dimension. Just select complete solid and go to scale and enter scale factor is 0.8164. I'm converting actual dimensions into isometric dimensions. So for that, I'll go to scale. Scale factor should be 0.8164 and remember copy should be off. Then just press enter and place a solid somewhere here. So I'll place a solid somewhere here. So now let us construct the midpoint for the top surface. So this is my top surface. Let us see this. This will be the top surface for this rectangular slab. Let us construct the um, let us construct the midpoint of the top surface. To find the midpoint, we need to join the corner to corner from this corner and from here to here, or select the midpoint of this line and select the midpoint. Just look at the midpoint. And similarly, from this midpoint and this midpoint, I got the center. I got the midpoint of the top surface. Now let us construct another solid that is a rectangular pyramid and for the given dimension 40 by 25 mm and height is 50 mm. So similarly, I'll construct a rectangular pyramid. I'll go to the line and I'll use a thin line. So let us construct the solid separately. So now this is one side is 100, one side is 40, another side is 25 mm. So this side I will take 40. So let us take the length is 40 and angle is 30 degree. And another side, the length is it is 25 mm. This is 25. Angle, let keep angle is 150 degree. And this side length is same 40 mm and angle is 30 degree. and this side length is 25 mm, angle is minus 30 degree. Okay, so now it's a pyramid. So for a pyramid, you need to construct the apex. You need to locate the apex at a distance of 50 mm. At a distance of 50 mm, that's the height is given 50 mm. Let us construct the apex. To construct the apex, we need midpoint. Say from just I'll zoom that particular area. I'll calculate a midpoint. See here, this midpoint of this line and midpoint of this line. So before that, this is the midpoint of this line and this will be the midpoint of this line. Now let us construct the axis. Let us construct a vertical line. So from this point, I'll construct the height of 50 mm, which is given in the problem. That is the axis height. Length is 50, height is 50, angle is 90 degree. Now join this apex and the respective corners. So I'm joining this apex and its corners. Say this is a corner and this will be the apex. This is a corner and this will be the apex. Similarly, this is a corner. This will be the apex. This is the corner and this will be the apex. I joined the corner and apex and this will be the axis line. This is the axis line. Now let us convert this pyramid dimensions, so actual dimension into isometric dimensions. So select this complete pyramid, go to scale, copy should be off, scale factor is 0.8164 will be the scale factor. Just press enter and keep somewhere here. So now the next step is this midpoint of the pyramid, I'll place it on midpoint of the rectangular slab. Just use move option. Just go to move option, switch off copy and select this complete element and select this midpoint. Select this midpoint, place the midpoint exactly at the center of this slab. Center of this slab. So now the next step is delete the hidden lines. Try to delete the hidden lines. So I'll go to trim. See, these are the hidden lines. I don't want the hidden lines. Yeah, of course, so this is complete hidden lines, not visible to observer. I'm deleting these hidden lines. This is not visible, not visible. I'm deleting the hidden lines. Again, this side, not visible, not visible. It is not visible. Just I'm trimming the hidden lines. I deleted hidden line. Again, this is not visible. This is not visible. And you can zoom that area and try to remove the hidden lines. Zoom this area and trim the hidden lines. I trim the hidden lines. Okay, so now make it thick. Select this complete combined solid and thickness should be 0.50. It should be visible. It should be visible. This axis line should be thin line. So this is the isometric projection of the combined solids. So with this, I'll conclude the first problem on isometric projections. Thank you and thank you so much.